of things that represents water.
J'ai fait une méduse arc-en-ciel. We did Monet's water lilies.
I made earrings. They're ocean theme.
On a fait une arche qui flotte et elle s'appelle le Suminagashi.
We did les gouttes d'eau, and then we decorated them, and then we attached them to the umbrella. This one I made.
This one's mine.
This one's mine.
This one is the whole class's that we made.
Yeah, we made it together.
Well, the earrings weren't prévus because I just asked if we could make earrings, and she said yes. So it was very cool how we made earrings and bracelets at the same time. I like the part when we put it in the water and we see all what happened and stuff like that.
You learn that when you take it off, it makes a print. But if you just do it with a paper, normal one, it won't do that. So it's special to be able to do that.
I learned that if we mixed a lot of colors together, it could make a very pretty thing.
It was a fun project because I liked the sound that it did.
Why do you think you have an exhibit?
To show what we made.
Yeah, to show what we made.
To show how big we are. To show the world. To show what we can do.
To show the world that we're not just usual kids.
I feel very proud to be in this school.
I feel very happy to participate.
I'm very proud of making the art because every year we improve and it gets better and better. And so now we're so impressed at what we can do. I'm proud because we made these beautiful artworks and then everybody in the school are looking at them.